Alex, is it time to buy Nvidia and how high would it go? That's the question I've got today. Hard one, but let's crack this code. Hello, welcome back to Family Investment. As you all know, Nvidia earnings Q1 2024 just came out and boom, exploded. Nvidia stock split 10-1. They've beaten 26 billion that quarter. They announced with a 24.5 expectation. Now dividend is increased, and now during the conference call, Jensen has shared even more, saying the Blackwell revenue will be significantly increased. And then with their VM-Link, their new networking structure, the CUDA is growing. We all love the CUDA, the software. And more clients are on board. Dell is building on top of Nvidia. So bullish, but how far can they? So congratulations to all of you out there who bought Nvidia. I'm sure you're thinking about this.
I should have bought more.
And me sitting here when my friend asked me the question, Alex, should I be buying Nvidia now? It's about 1,050. I'm thinking in my head saying, I've released my buy trigger. I've already told you this valuation and where you should be buying, and there was a gap of buying there. But why didn't you buy? And now you're asking me. But wait, it's not his fault, it's not your fault, it's nobody's fault. I blame myself for being a poor YouTuber, not sharing enough to tell you guys, not marketing enough to show, not confident enough to go, hey guys, buy now. Very apprehensive, so I'm trying to give you guys as much information in this video where we are going for. Again, first thing I want to share is the technical analysis. When momentum comes, it's all about technical analysis, yeah? So, and I've shared this on X, but what I want to say is we are on a super breakout. Super breakout means the last all-time high dip when make a nice cup and handle and then break away. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Finally, if you break out of stage 4, it's a whole new world. It could potentially 10x in theory, but it has to break it. At the moment, it's right at the tip. And I also shared on X previously saying that before earnings, we could go 15% up or 15% down. That is the band for Nvidia at the current price just now. And guess what? It's right at the tip top. Is it going to go higher? And I've got, as you can see, fund managers own lots of Nvidia. It's not me and you. It's not like $1 trillion that we've been pumping in. It's all the fund managers, yeah. And because of this super duper meteoric rise, a lot of fund managers are having more than 20% Nvidia. You have to sit and decide, do we take profit? Because by rule of thumb, you're not supposed to own more than 25%. By rule of thumb, 12% should be max. Anything more, cream. Now it's 20%, 25%, 30%. What do? You cannot have concentrated profit because of risk. So it's time to take profit. So I'm calling this the exchange of hands, where folks will be selling and other fund managers might want to have an entry. So they want to wait for the dip come down and then the entry to create a little support. So I'm not expecting a line or straight up, but I'm expecting a bit of dip, pull back for a few weeks, because come on, quarter is finished. We've got 2 more quarters before the end. In fact, 3 more quarters before the end. So be patient, you'll pull back and go back up. I'm not saying guaranteed, but this in theory is how it... Alex, you have not answered me my question. Can I buy Nvidia now? Okay, let's get to the point. I am sticking to my buy trigger of 914, okay? This band I buy. I'm not saying that you will go 914 at some point. I'm not saying it's going to drop in $1,000. I'm saying that if it comes as close as, then be more comfortable buying because of the risk reward. I do call about 1,005, 1,006 on the valuation going forward, and we have a great forecast. But it's all about a risk reward entry. Why I make myself so strict at 914? Because I cannot predict the dip. If it does happen, then great, buy. I do not want everybody to go all out, and then if it does
pull back, then you go, oh, wait a minute. So it's a risk reward.
And secondly, it's not just Nvidia that's running these waves. Yeah? You got Dell, you got AVGO, you got many other companies riding this wave. So the next big one, I think personally, not just the SMCI, I think is AVGO, which has got the same potential. They have great software, Sysantec, VMware. AVGO, Broadcom might be potential, might have a stock split. They're sitting about 1,400. I think they should be 1,600. So, you know, as an investor, as an analyst, you do look at what is the best and then diversify your portfolio. If you're owning too much Nvidia, some people like all in, it's entirely up to you. But I do look elsewhere. Because, for example, today, my portfolio is at all-time high as we speak today. It's not just because of Nvidia, because I bought Pintuoduo as well, and I've got some AVGO that's rocketing, TSMC. So it's the holistic of the portfolios. Think about it. It's not about one stock horse that runs all. It's about your diversification. When volatility kicks in, you do want some protection. So this is me, buy trigger here, valuation here, still intact. Systematic investing is the way I go. Hope this is useful. Like and subscribe. Follow me on X. If not, just talk to me here. Comment. I'll try my best to reply.
Market's on a sell-off because it's spooked by the macro, which I mean